let's imagine that I have two pizzas. Excuse me. I have two pizzas, right? I have pizza A, which is going to be this one right here. And I have pizza B. Shit, and we got it from Little Caesars. Well, it don't matter where we got it from. But I have two pizzas. And one pizza is divided up into 8 pieces. That would be pizza A right here. Divided up into 8 slices, you know what I'm saying? And we got pizza B, which is cut up into 6 slices. And of course, all the slices are the same size, right? So I bring in the 2 pizzas and I ask you, you can get 3 pieces from either one, pizza A or pizza B. You can get 3 slices of pizza A or you can get 3 slices of pizza B. The question is, how do you know which one is a situation where you get the most pizza? Right? So let me try to visualize this, right? So we got pizza A right there. Let's see. No, that's a little bit too big. Hold on. Got pizza A right there. We got pizza B right there. And again, like I said, I asked the question is, which one? You can get 3 slices of it, either one, pizza A or pizza B. The question is, which one is the situation where you get the most pizza? That's hard to figure out when the pizzas are divided up into different slices, different sizes. Right? One is divided up into 8 slices and the other one is divided up into 6. So it can be hard to kind of understand or compute which one is a situation where I get the most pizza. And theoretically, we can do it, by other means. But what we're going to do now is another way to evaluate the situation. So how can we figure out which 3 slices give us the most pizza? So what I would like to do, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with an imaginary pizza. We're going to create a pizza. This ain't a real pizza, but we just using our imagination to kind of think this thing through. So now we got pizza C, right? And right now, the problem is that pizza A and pizza B, one is divided up into 8 slices, and the other one is divided up into 6. So it's hard to tell if I get 3 from one to 3 from the other, which one is going to give me the most. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 8 times 6. We're going to multiply 8 times 6. And what this is going to do is this is going to give us a new amount of slices that both pizzas can be used for. And I'll just, again, kind of visualize this. So 6 times 8 is going to be 48. right? We're gonna bring that down here and this is how many slices our new pizza is gonna be divided into. It's gonna be divided up into 48 slices. So we'll just bring that down here. So now we got our imaginary pizza, C, and we know how many slices that we can use to see which one give us the most. If we get 3 slices, right? So let's start with pizza A. So we started off with pizza A. It was in 8 slices. But when we made our imaginary pizza, we scaled that up to 48. So we multiplied this bottom one by 6 so that we could get 48, so we could have the same amount of slices, right? So we scaled up the bottom by 6, so we got to scale up the top by the same amount to make sure that we're not throwing nothing off. So of course 6 times 8 is going to be the 48, and 3 times 6, that's going to give us, what, 18 for pizza A. And so we'll do the same thing for pizza B. So for pizza B, we started off with 6 slices, and of course we scaled it up to 48. So we started with 6 slices in our real pizza, and in our imaginary pizza, we wound up with 48. So we scaled this one up, as we can see, by 8. 6 times 8, 48. So we got to do the same thing for the top up here. So we got to multiply this 3 times 8. And that's going to give us 24. And just to make sure we recall that this is pizza A and this is pizza B still. What we did was just scale them up. And what we did was give them the same number of slices. So that now, if I ask you which one you want 3 pieces from, the only thing that you have to do now is compare these top 2 numbers right here. And it look like I'm gonna get some from pizza B, right?